Welcome to an introduction of RAISE's Unit 1. In this unit, students will study linear equations and inequalities. This unit is divided into 3 sections, and by the end of these 3 sections, students will be able to write and solve linear equations and inequalities when given multiple representations of relations, determine the slope of a line given multiple representations of linear equations, and represent linear equations in various forms, such as standard form, slope-intercept form, and point-slope form. However, before students begin to learn about writing and solving equations, we need to check if they're ready. Remember that the Overview and Readiness lesson pre-assesses student understanding of 3 prerequisite skills and provides a mini-lesson for each topic in which the student does not demonstrate mastery. To engage with the content in Unit 1, students should already know how to solve linear equations using a general strategy and classify equations based on the type of solution. And they should also know how to identify the coordinates of points on a graph. Initial instruction for all of this content occurred in middle school. Now, let's dig into the actual lessons themselves.